If you are like most dental practices without an effective software system, you record and track information about your patients, business and compliance in a lot of different places. Therefore, finding your way through databases, emails, spreadsheets, paper cards, referral letters and x-rays can take up a lot of valuable time, and you may not find the information you need when you need it. Chiral Systems is your must-have all-in-one centralized platform where you can record and track everything you need to run your dental practice, from basic diary and patient information management to business management and compliance tools. Simple, agile and intuitive, the Chiral software runs natively both on Mac and Windows computers. Therefore, in order to run a cost-effective and time-efficient dental practice, all you need is a server and a computer or tablet. Supported by a hands-on team committed to helping you work the system to its full potential, Chiral is the framework for the next generation of clinical entrepreneurs who are mobile, tech-savvy, and in search of a system that delivers on both aspiration and function. Creating appointments in the diary could not be quicker or easier with the simple drag-and-drop function, with which the start, end, and duration of an appointment can be defined. This opens a dialog box with the option to add a new patient or an existing one. The appointment slot is reserved across all users' screens as the diary works in real time. From the moment a patient enters the surgery, the clinician can be alerted of their arrival from another room via the system. Chiral Systems offers secure mobile applications, allowing you to view your patient notes, treatment history, images, and you can even chart on a tablet. Forms can be signed electronically, meaning that time in the waiting room is utilized, paper is saved, and compliance is painless. The application corresponds seamlessly with Chiral in your practice. Patient information and signatures entered into the application are saved into the patient's records and are easily auditable. Unlike other systems, Chiral Systems shows you both the root and tooth view, enabling for base, treatment and perio charting. Charting in Chiral is so simple. Once you have selected your chartable item, your mouse becomes loaded to ensure minimum number of clicks, and obviously deselecting is easy too. It is also possible for any photos and x-rays to be charted against a tooth. Charting is also available on the Microsoft Surface Pro 3 tablet, allowing for quick and accurate notes to be taken in your own handwriting. Treatment plans can be quickly created with synchronization between charting and notes. All fees are documented and added to the plan. You can easily select the appointments, set the details regarding provider and duration, and determine the interval period between appointments. Information can be directly sent to the front desk to book the next appointments. Reports can be made from your treatment plans to measure accepted versus rejected proposals. Chiral Systems provides a direct link to X-ray imaging software. Both images and documents alike can be scanned into the system and then stored within the patient's records, where they are easily accessible. Chiral can measure your profitability using inbuilt financial reports and key performance indicators, providing a business framework to monitor and improve your figures. Chiral Systems offers graphical reporting on new patients, referral sources, active patients, treatment planning, appointments booked in a particular month, and all the appointments the practice has in a year. These graphs allow you to visually monitor your practice's performance at a glance, with more in-depth data available when clicking on each particular graph, in order to help you identify the areas you need to work on. The email integration is a very powerful way of centralizing all patient communication and interaction. You can now track and record every patient email, referrer email, and lab technician email directly in Chiral, without having to learn to use a new email application, as our system employs familiar methods. This way, your important patient information, vital for treatment planning, is safe and won't be lost or neglected. Chiral now offers a further level of integration with the introduction of an online booking system, which is accessible as a portal via your practice website. The appointments booked online are automatically and instantly updated in the practice diary with no user intervention. Our system saves you time by streamlining your business administration. We take security threats very seriously and have ensured that all the data is encrypted and stored on a client server within the practice. From design point, Chiral systems accounted for the way each individual within your practice works. The system is simple and intuitive, working just the way you do. Chiral is a dynamic and progressive system, constantly adapting to new technologies while delivering upgrades, maintenance, and backups remotely and securely, with no time wasted at the user end.